Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the calculus. The topic today is about integral. We have the integral from 0 to infinity when we have e power minus s power 2 ds in here. So to answer the question in here, we will use about integration by substitution. So we put t is about the s power 2, so that we have square root of t is about s, and then we do first the derivative in the both sides. Now if we know that if we change 0 and infinity, they will have the same one, so we don't need to change. Now we just arrange inside integral in here. We have the square root of t in the denominator, so we have t power minus 1 over 2. And we know that minus 1 over 2 is about 1 over 2 minus 1 dt. In this situation, we will apply the formula. In this situation, we will use it about gamma function. Now we can apply in this situation. We know that the gamma 1 over 2 is about the square root of b. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.